I spent hours on crypto Twitter, so you don't have to. Here's what's happening. The SEC sent the Depository Trust Company a no action letter. The Depository Trust Company, or DTC, is a huge player in the traditional stock trading world. I'm not misspeaking here when I say DTC is the custodian for over $100 trillion worth of assets. DTC is kind of one of those companies that you've never heard of, but it touches almost everything. A true behind the scenes workhorse. DTC's parent company sent a letter to the SEC. In that letter, they proposed a plan for DTC to be involved in stock tokenization. They requested the SEC's view on that plan. In response, the SEC sent a no action letter. No action letter is basically the SEC's way of saying, look, we're not going to come after you if you follow this plan. It's a way for companies to feel a bit more confident that some business plan they have or some new product line they're trying to roll out fits within the SEC's rules and regulations. This was massive news on crypto Twitter. Important people at the SEC have been talking about stock tokenization much of the year. They've described it as a priority. In case you don't know, the concept of stock tokenization is to take a lot of the stock assets, things like Apple stock or Nvidia stock, that today trade through NYSE and NASDAQ and other centralized traditional exchanges, and make them available to trade on blockchain technologies or blockchain networks. So far, there are a few companies who have started to make inroads on building stock tokenization products. But now we know that DTC is going to be rolling out a stock tokenization program, and the SEC, for lack of a better term, has given it the green light. This doesn't answer all questions about stock tokenization. It's a complex topic, and it's reasonable to expect more from the SEC at this point. But for now, this is massive news that just pours a ton of fuel on the fire of stock tokenization. DTC gave indication that their tokenized stocks will roll out sometime in the second half of next year. Seems like this all really might be happening.